I've stood twice publicly and said to the community that my house is violence free, and I'd love to see other people, other men, stand up for their whanau to say that their household is violence free. And that takes a lot of courage, because once you make it a public announcement, then you've got the responsibility to uphold it. You've got other people around you, your neighbours, your whanau, your brothers and sisters, your parents, your krau and kuia, who are there to uphold or to ensure that you are accountable for what you are saying around that. And sometimes it takes a lot of courage for the wider family to get involved, to try and support each other so that they can get to that point where they can confidently say that their household is violence free.